in this section, we're going to talk a little bit about permissions. So I'm going to go into my stuff directory that I've created, and I'm going to create some files. We'll call the touch command. We'll just create a file with nothing in it, so I'll touch, let's say, file 1. And now I have a file called file 1. It has no information, it's just kind of there as a placeholder. And the permissions right now are set space RW, space R space, space R space. So permissions are broken into sets of 3. The first 3 apply to the owner of the file. In this case, it would be KUrban. So the user KUrban has read, that's what the R stands for, and write, that's what the W stands for, permissions of this file. The next 3 apply to the group. The group would be staff. So anyone who's also in the group staff would have read permission. And the last 3 apply to anybody else on the system. So you have read permission of file 1. So right now, if I put stuff into file 1, you could read it. So let me quick put stuff in here. I'm going to crank up VI, file 1. I'm going to hit insert, and I'm going to type in something. I think people a long time ago used to type this. So my grandmother always typed, or the quick brown fox, something like. Anyway, okay. And then I'm going to hit escape, colon, write, and quit. Well, don't worry, we'll come up to VI again at sometime soon. So there's file and file 1 tilde, which is a backup of it. And if you type in the command cat, now we're going to use a full path name, tilde KUrban slash stuff slash file 1. You'll also see that because you'll be using this read permission. But if you try to, for instance, edit that file, so if you typed vi tilde KUrban stuff file 1, well, see, it worked for me, but it wouldn't work for you because we're different users. I'm using these first 3 permissions, and you're using this set of 3 permissions. You know, I'm selecting the wrong ones. Sorry, these are the first 3 permissions. Alright, so it's RW minus, yeah, there's the next 3. Okay. So those are the permissions of this file. Now, first I'm going to get rid of the backup, because I don't want stuff backups laying around here. And I'm going to make a file 2. So I'm going to copy file 1 to file 2, and then make changes. So chmod is the command that changes permissions, and I'm going to change the permissions of file 2 to be 777. You know what? I don't want 777, sorry. I want it to be 666. So now, this last group has read-write access. So if you type in the command, where is it? I'm going back up to my history. This command, if you type that in, you will be able to edit. And feel free to go and edit it to add your name in and stuff like that. You can just say, I was here, or put your name was there, or something like that. And we'll see who can go through and edit it. Right? So, right, I edit the file, hit I for insert, hit enter to move down a line, hit the up arrow to go back up. I'll put KUrban was here. When I'm done, I'm going to hit I'm going to hit escape, colon, Q, sorry, write and quit, and save the file. So you can try that or do it. So that's the permissions and how to set them.